guys, a question we get a lot here at Explore is, how do you guys work? What can I expect if I choose to work with you? So I thought I would put today's video together, walking you through our process from start to finish, and hopefully this will provide you some insight into how we can bring your kitchen or your bath visions to life. So the first step in the process is simply meeting in person. The purpose of this really is just to determine if we can service your needs. It also gives us the opportunity to get to know you. So what we're really trying to determine in this meeting is what your primary needs are, what your design goals are, and also what your desired budget is. If we feel as though we suit all of those things, then we can move forward with you in the process. If we feel one of those things doesn't quite match what we can provide as a business, we'll also inform you of that from the beginning. So there shouldn't be any surprises later down the track. So we'll usually tell you from the beginning, sorry, this doesn't quite fit, but more often than not, we're able to service you. Which then brings us into the second step of the process. Now, the second step of the process is sending you through a design mock-up and also a quote. We'll also be sending you through a full scope of work, which will provide you insight into what's actually going to take place on the day of installation. So there should be no surprises there. So once we've sent you through the design mock-up, a quote, and that scope of work, we'll usually schedule a follow-up consultation to walk you through everything. Depending on the complexity of the design or whatever the case may be, it's usually best to have a follow-up consultation because you probably will have questions and there probably will be things that we'll need to clarify. So it's really important that we meet again. If you're happy with what we've provided you, we can then move forward again. From here, what we'll do is we'll send you through a contract. And once you've signed that contract, we can then schedule a date for installation. Now, this brings us into step 3 of the process, which is finalizing your design. So leading up to your chosen date of installation, we will be continuously working closely with you and our design team to finalize the specifics of your kitchen or your bath design. You'll also have the opportunity to visit our showroom. We can take you to the showrooms of some of our partners or wholesalers. So this will give you the opportunity to see all the different samples, feel them, really get an understanding of the color palettes that you have available to you. So it's a really fun, creative part of the entire process. So once we've determined the final design of your space along with a final quote, we'll then be moving into step 4, which is the actual installation of your kitchen or your bath. So on the day of installation, our crews will arrive at a designated time. There is a little bit of preliminary work you have to do before our crews arrive. If you can't, of course, we can work around that or assist you in doing so. But it's just to ensure that when our crews arrive at the job site, it's safe for them. There's no tripping hazards or anything like that. But we'll walk you through all of that and send you through a document with detailed instructions before the installation date. Now, it's important to note here that installation time does vary depending on the complexity of your project. So you will be given an estimated time of completion before the project even starts. So usually at around the same time of a contract being signed, so well in advance, you'll be given an estimated time of completion. So there shouldn't be any surprises as to how long our crews will need to be working in your home. But if you have any concerns about that, just reach out. The final step of the process is just a final consultation. So what we'll usually do here is send out a representative of our team to your home to review the final product, review the space, do a bit of an observation just to make sure everything is how it should be, there's no damages. It's all installed according to the design that we did together. It also gives you the opportunity as well to ask any questions or voice any concerns or even provide any feedback if need be. From here, all that's left to do is for you to enjoy your new home. If in the future, after the installation takes place and well after the final meeting that we schedule, if you have any questions beyond that, a few months into the future or more, still feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you. And if you have any questions separate to today's video, please send them through. We're more than happy to answer them. If you have any video requests, send them through and we'll create a video based on that topic of your choice. But I hope you guys have a lovely day. Our contact details are above and we'll be seeing you very soon.